Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.7 question number 1. Say true or false. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Yes, we know that by the property of a rectangle, the each of the angle is 90 degree. If we draw a rectangle like this, and we know that each angle of a rectangle is right angle, all the angles are 90 degree, right? Therefore, you can say it as true. In the property also, we read that all the angles of rectangle is a right angle. Question number B. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yes, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Right? That means the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. That is also true. This is true. Now see, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Yes, diagonal. Suppose this is a square and all the sides are equal. If we draw the diagonal, this one and this one, if we name it A, B, C, D. In the property, we read that the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to another. These are all 90 degree. Right? These are all 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to another. That is true. That is true. Right? Now question number D. All the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. Right? In the case of rhombus, we read in the properties that all the sides of a rhombus are equal. Right? All the sides are equal. This is also true. All the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. That is also true. Now question number D. All the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. All the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. Parallelogram. No, it cannot be. Suppose this is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are same, but not all the sides. Right? This side is equal to this side and parallel also, and this side equal to this side and parallel also. But all the sides of parallelogram are of equal length is false, because all the sides of parallelogram are not equal. Therefore, it is false. The opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. How we make a trapezium? Trapezium is like this. Right? The opposite sides of a trapezium. One of the sides are parallel, but not the opposite sides. These are parallel, but these are not parallel. These are not parallel. Right? Therefore, the opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel is false. This is also false. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get all the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.